What's poppin', y'all? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. You already know it's your girl jaliyahlashon back with another video. And in today's video, I am going to be starting my locks, and I am going to be using the 2 strand twist method. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so I got the 2 mirrors, and we about to do this parting because ain't nobody gonna help me, so I gotta do it myself. Alright, I can kind of see. And right now I just got my hair in a little puff. But yeah, that's good. I'm gonna take this out. But this twist out was really good. Like, do y'all see these curls? Yes. Alright, let me stop stalling. So yeah, first I'm just gonna part my hair into 4 sections. What? Okay, there's my part. I have like a middle part stuck in my head because I wear middle parts so much. Like, that part's not going nowhere. But it's not straight down the back, I don't think. Oh, that part's actually pretty straight to say I just did it with my fingers. Let me show y'all. Y'all can see. It's not straight, but it's pretty straight, you know what I'm saying? But I'm about to fix it up. It's taking me extra long to part, so I'm gonna just finish up this middle part and one of these sides, and I'm gonna show y'all this side parting. So I finished parting the sides in the middle, and I'm just gonna show y'all. I don't even know if I'm in frame or not. I hope I am. But yeah, so that's what my parts look like right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and part this top and twist it up first because I can see the front, so it'll just be easier to do. And I'm probably gonna do this part too. And what I'm gonna use on my hair is have some water in this little spray bottle, and I'm using my Belly Curls curling cream, but just a little bit, and some coconut oil. Yeah, and I'm gonna put some peppermint oil on my scalp as well. So yeah, I just don't have it out right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna twist up this whole front section, and then I guess I'll show you parting this side. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this side off camera so I can get like the sizes and everything figured out. Alright, so I was just showing y'all how cute those curls were from that twist out because, baby, do you see those? And then I just did a little lint check for y'all. Or is it lint check? I don't know how to talk. Please excuse me. But anyways, this is how long my hair is in the front before I twisted it. And I'm going to show y'all how long it is in the back too. So yeah. now that I'm finished twisting, I'm going to interlock the roots, but I'm not doing it right now. I'm about to take a little break, go get me something to eat, and then I'm gonna come back and interlock them. I'm happy with the sizing, but I just look weird. It'll look better when they grow out and be long. And my hair is shorter on this side, so that's why it looks fuller over here. And I think it is more twist on this side as well. What?
This thing cannot even working.
I don't know how to work it.
Wait a second, wait a second.
It's kind of dark. Hold on. Let me get y'all a little view. A little 360. You know what I'm saying? It's my official installation day. It is April the 18th, 2020. My forehead is just like out. And I look like a little boy right now, but it's okay because it's a lot of cute styles that can girly this right up. And then I don't even have to leave in for all day. So, yeah, I'm not even worried about it. They already getting a little frizzy because I was planning them. I forgot to do an outro, so here we go. Thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you so much for just giving me your time because you didn't have to watch this video. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe, all of that. Make sure you turn on that bell so you don't miss a video. And if you want to follow me on any of my social medias, they will be linked in the description box. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.